Welcome back to the third video of the 10th module on the concept of tasks and concerns of school counseling and school counselors. In this video, we will discuss about the concerns of school counselor. The learning objectives of this video would be to examine the major concerns of school counselors and comprehend what it takes to be a school counselor. Coming to the concerns of school counselors remain accessible and they put in enormous effort to know each and every student for whom they feel they are responsible. They come up in supporting and participating in all the appropriate student activities and events. They are the frontliners in the students' well-being. The challenges of school counselors goes beyond the responsibilities that are associated with them. At any given point, the major concern of a school counselor is to analyze the present and predict the future, and in between there has to be diagnosis as to know the nature and causes of problems if it exists. It is a well-known fact that as children grow, their needs grow too. It can be the personal needs, emotional, social or intellectual, but they grow. When those needs are not catered at the right time, in the right level and at the right pace, then it is not possible to create a resilient sense of self during this critical period of development. In this critical period of development, there can be a huge possibility of children developing negative trends or display tendencies that can put them in serious risks. Those can be mental health issues, violent behavior, bullying or inappropriate activities, stress, suicide or suicidal threats, trauma, crisis, and issues related to family or home, and substance abuse. Now let us see about the mental health issues. In the current generation and in boom of the know-how of technology, mental health issues among school children are also on rise. These could be anxiety, mood swings, depression, emotional and psychological disturbance or abuse, and cognitive issues which has remained unaddressed, which are impacting on their relationship with others because they find companionship in their gadgets more than people like friends and family. It is the concern of the school counselors to identify the students who might be suffering silently with these problems and provide them with the needed support through counseling, and further, if need be, referrals can be made for a long-time support. School counselors are taking on these concerns and much more they go into so that this negative present should not impact the future of the student. Now let us see about violent behavior or bullying and inappropriate activities. Bullying in schools have lately been a new concern. One of the main reasons for this could be the technology or social media. Bullying or the violent behavior will have a negative consequence on the student's development. The concern of the school counselor is to identify the student is a victim of this inappropriate activity or the students who are showing this bullying or violent behavior. This is a huge concern for a school counselor as they have to manage or counsel both the victim and the perpetrator. Bullying should be considered as a serious issue as this will not only exist in school, it follows everywhere. On the streets, it can follow a person into his home, to his bedroom, through social media, annoying the person physically as well as mentally. School counselors have to control the present condition to keep the student's future safe and healthy. They have to derive preventive measures to help the victim to enhance resilience and the offender to stop the behavior. Some children do not want to go to school because of this, and some children may develop abnormal personalities. School counselors have to monitor the children at school, at home, and the usage of the social media so that they prevent this bullying from harming the overall development of children. Now let us look into the stress. Life has become so mechanical and the competition has increased these days. This has created so much of pressure on children from their younger days and keeps on increasing as their age increases. The pressure is on their performance and achievement, whether it is in academics, sports, or any other extracurricular events. This pressure does not take much time in getting converted to stress, and stress can lead to depression and anxiety and other personality disorders. The concern of school counselor is to help students explore resources and help them to get connected to the resources and find relief. Now let us look into the suicide or suicidal threats. Behavior problems in school or bullying is one of the most common problems what a counselor can face. But students who speak of suicide, harming self, and coming across a suicidal threat can be the scariest one of all. The concern of counselor when dealing with students is to listen and observe their every word and every action. They just cannot brush off any revelations made by them or any explanations or any reasons said by them. School counselors will always try to be conscious and keep themselves aware of any student who might be exhibiting any such behaviors which indicates self-harm. They respond to those situations immediately by contacting parents and teachers so that they also should be aware about the situation of the student and strategize approaches to support and provide resources to make students come out of the self-harming idea. Suicidal threats should be ignored nor taken lightly. Hence, counselors give a lot of thought and time about the student and to the students by sitting down with them and talking to them can ease their feelings and ensure possible resources to help them and bring them to safety. Trauma, crisis and issues related to family or home. Children attending school, if exposed to a traumatic condition outside of school, affects learning and behavior. Trauma in the family or at home significantly affects their academic, social and emotional development. The concern is that children do not come up and speak about the issue if they are suffering from trauma. If there is crisis or problems at home, it is very sure that it will follow to school also. It can be a divorce of parents, financial burden due to death or the death of a loved one or a breadwinner in the family, natural disaster that causes huge loss to the family, and all this transforms students' school life. The concern of the counselor is to identify students who are suffering with this trauma and crisis, build trust and confidentiality with the student so that they open up and release their pent-up emotions and trauma. So the school counselors can provide the resources and support that they need to fight the situation successfully. Finally, let us see about substance abuse. It would not be a surprise if some high school student come up with a question on alcohol and drug use. Students face peer pressure to try out alcohol and drugs or substance use. The concern of the counselor is to stop a student who is in her teens or in his teens from developing any addictions or get into substance abuse. School counselors encounter various issues every day and every issue demands equal amount of care and focus. School counseling proves beneficial to many students in saving their lives. In conclusion, each student is different. They differ mainly in their family and social life. Their home environments are completely different from each other, and the counselor may be the only person who can really fulfill the need at any given time. Counselors are trained educators or professionals with an added attention on mental health development and well being. Sometimes the pressure and demands of school may become too much for a student to handle and can make a student weak and retreat or become aggressive and frustrated. That's where the importance of the school counselor is seen, where a school counselor makes students ease through the stressful and often hectic school years and help them to confidently steer through the problems. School counseling and being a school counselor is tougher than it sounds to be. For a school counselor, every day starts with the hope of helping students around in the school. It is a very hard job as they deal with multitude of problems. It can be tough to judge as what initiative can be taken or what approach can be used to deal with those different problems of different students. It can be called as a maze of challenges for school counselor. The tasks and concerns of school counseling and school counselor are very vast and manifold, and of course, it is a significant part of a student's school life. Thank you.